Good morning, it's me, Jimmy. So the question is that should you go and get a degree from the Stanford University? Jump to the computer screen and let's find out.
Let's find out is Stanford University. This is one of the most prestigious university in the world. It's a private university, I understand, but this is prestige. Normally, a lot of people don't need to go to the Stanford University. Their tuition is absolutely high, but again, if you can afford, if you have a rich dad or a rich mom or a rich uncle which can pay your tuition, or you can get a scholarship, then you should go. Now the real question is the rank. Let's see what is the current rank for ICU. Let's see their rank. Not this one, for ICU. Their rank is super prestige. Stanford rank is the world prestige, super prestige. If I can afford, definitely I will love to have a degree. But again, getting a degree from prestige university mean one thing: you can get a job anywhere around the world. But do you really need that kind of job security, or you really want to learn a skill? For learning a skill, I will try to go to a local community college. I will try to start my business or something like that. That will be my opinion. If you can get admission, congratulations.